Welcome to this comprehensive engineering guide on transformer tap changers and voltage regulation. In modern electrical power systems, maintaining the correct voltage is essential for equipment protection, system stability, and power quality. Transformer tap changers are the primary devices that make this possible by adjusting the transformer turns ratio as system conditions change. In this presentation, we'll explore the engineering principles behind transformer tap changers, compare on-load and off-circuit technologies, understand their operating mechanisms, review international standards, discuss diagnostic techniques, and examine real-world engineering applications. Whether you're a protection engineer, substation designer, or power system operator, this presentation will provide practical insights into selecting, maintaining, and diagnosing transformer tap changers. A common misconception is that electrical grids operate at a constant voltage. In reality, power system voltage continuously changes due to load variations, renewable energy fluctuations, industrial demand, and transmission constraints. During peak demand, voltage naturally drops because more current flows through transmission impedances. Conversely, during light loading or high renewable generation, voltage may rise above its desired value. The transformer tap changer acts as the grid's automatic balancing mechanism. By adjusting the transformer turns ratio, it compensates for these voltage variations and keeps customer voltage within acceptable limits. Without this capability, voltage instability would become a serious operational challenge across modern interconnected power systems. Transformer tap changers are broadly divided into two categories: on-load tap changers, or OLTCs, and off-circuit or de-energized tap changers, commonly called DETCs. An OLTC can change transformer taps while the transformer remains energized and carrying load. This makes it ideal for transmission substations, renewable integration, and industrial facilities where continuous voltage regulation is required. In contrast, a DETC can only be operated after the transformer has been completely de-energized. Because switching requires an outage, DETCs are typically used where voltage adjustments are infrequent, such as seasonal network optimization or fixed distribution transformers. Selecting between these two technologies depends on operational flexibility, maintenance strategy, cost, and system requirements. Changing transformer taps while carrying load is far more complicated than simply moving a switch. The process occurs in three carefully controlled stages. First comes the pre-selection stage, where the next tap position is prepared before any electrical transition begins. Second is the bridge stage, where a transition impedance, either a resistor or reactor, temporarily carries current between the two adjacent taps. This prevents short circuits and avoids interrupting load current. Finally, the switching sequence is completed, disconnecting the old tap while maintaining uninterrupted power delivery. This make-before-break principle is the defining engineering feature of an OLTC and allows voltage regulation without service interruption. Over decades of transformer development, several engineering approaches have evolved for OLTC design. Resistor-type OLTCs use transition resistors to limit circulating current during tap changes. These are compact, widely adopted, and suitable for most transmission applications. Reactor-type OLTCs replace resistors with reactors, reducing transition losses but increasing mechanical complexity. Historically, many systems used oil arcing mechanisms, where switching occurred directly inside transformer oil. While effective, these designs required extensive maintenance because of contact wear and oil contamination. Modern vacuum interrupter OLTCs have largely replaced oil arcing systems. Vacuum technology dramatically reduces arcing, minimizes maintenance, improves reliability, and extends service life, making it today's preferred engineering solution. One of the biggest misunderstandings in transformer engineering concerns off-circuit tap changers. The term off-load does not describe the electrical loading of the transformer. Instead, it means the transformer must be completely de-energized before changing tap positions. Even if the transformer is carrying zero customer load, changing taps while energized can create dangerous electrical arcs, equipment damage, and serious safety hazards. Therefore, DETCs require a complete isolation procedure before operation. Understanding this distinction is essential for safe transformer maintenance and proper operational planning.
The appropriate choice depends on system operating philosophy, rather than simply equipment cost.
Choosing the correct tap changer follows a structured engineering decision process. First, determine whether voltage regulation must occur while the transformer remains energized. If continuous voltage control is required, an OLTC is generally the correct solution. Next, evaluate how frequently voltage adjustments will occur. Frequent changes strongly favor OLTC technology. If adjustments are only seasonal or during scheduled maintenance, a DETC may be sufficient. Finally, consider budget, maintenance capability, operational flexibility, and future network expansion before making the final specification. This systematic approach minimizes lifecycle costs while maximizing operational performance. The IEC 60214 series defines design requirements, testing procedures, operational performance, and maintenance expectations for tap changers. IEEE standards provide additional guidance for transformer applications, diagnostics, maintenance practices, and field testing. Utilities often supplement these international standards with internal maintenance procedures and reliability programs. Compliance with these standards ensures equipment interoperability, operational safety, long service life, and consistent engineering quality across power systems worldwide.
Modern transformer maintenance relies on condition-based monitoring rather than fixed maintenance intervals. The first pillar is oil diagnostics, particularly dissolved gas analysis. This detects internal faults by measuring gases generated from overheating and electrical discharge. The second pillar is dynamic resistance measurement, or DRM. DRM evaluates contact condition during tap changer operation and identifies worn or damaged switching contacts. The third pillar is motor drive monitoring, which analyzes operating time, torque, current, and mechanical performance. Combining these three diagnostic techniques allows utilities to detect developing problems long before they become costly failures. Dynamic resistance measurement provides one of the most powerful diagnostic tools for OLTC health assessment. A healthy DRM trace shows smooth resistance transitions during each tap change. As contact wear increases, resistance begins to fluctuate, producing spikes and irregular patterns. These abnormalities may indicate contact erosion, poor alignment, contamination, mechanical wear, or transition resistor deterioration. Rather than relying solely on calendar-based maintenance, DRM enables predictive maintenance by identifying problems before they result in unexpected transformer outages. Every major OLTC component has characteristic failure mechanisms. Transition resistors may overheat or crack after years of operation. The diverter switch experiences both electrical and mechanical wear because it performs the actual switching process. Motor drives may develop lubrication issues, gearbox wear, or electrical faults. Understanding the relationship between component failures, observed symptoms, and diagnostic techniques enables engineers to quickly identify root causes and implement targeted maintenance strategies. These case studies demonstrate how engineering diagnostics translate into practical field results. In one transmission project, advanced testing identified deteriorating OLTC contacts before catastrophic failure occurred, allowing planned maintenance instead of an emergency outage. An industrial application revealed abnormal resistance signatures that led engineers to replace worn switching components, restoring reliable voltage regulation. In a utility feeder application, condition monitoring reduced unnecessary maintenance while improving transformer reliability.
These examples illustrate the value of combining engineering expertise with modern diagnostic technology. The role of voltage regulation is evolving rapidly. Historically, power flowed in one direction, from centralized generation to consumers, making voltage regulation relatively predictable. Today's grid is fundamentally different. Distributed solar, battery energy storage, electric vehicles, and renewable generation create bidirectional power flow and rapidly changing voltage profiles. As a result, transformer tap changers have become active participants in maintaining grid stability, rather than passive voltage adjustment devices. Future OLTC designs will increasingly integrate with digital monitoring, automation, and smart grid control systems. In summary, transformer tap changers remain one of the most critical components for maintaining voltage stability across modern power systems. Understanding their operating principles, selecting the appropriate technology, following international standards, and implementing advanced diagnostic techniques significantly improve transformer reliability and reduce lifecycle costs. As power systems continue evolving toward renewable integration and smart grid operation, engineering expertise becomes increasingly valuable. Thank you for watching. If you found this presentation helpful, consider subscribing for more advanced power system engineering content covering transformers, substations, protection systems, renewable integration, and grid modernization.